Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're gonna unbox Pixel 4. So let me go through the specs. It is around 700 pounds. The one I bought, it is white. So it is a weight wise is 1.6 gram, and you have front and back is a Gorilla Glass. So let's unbox this and let's go through this. Let's put that phone aside and let's go through what is come in the box. So you get a USB-C adapter, so it's USB-C to USB-C, and you got a data transmitter where USB-A to USB-C. Also get USB-C power adapters. The phone is beautiful. It is a 6.7-inch screen, so I did not go for the plus model. It is beautiful phones, and you get 2 cameras and a sensor. You have a black border. You got USB-C and you have a mics in the both sides. There is no headphone jack. It's going to be a USB-C to USB-C headphone jack, and you got volume subs, volume stand, power button, and you got the SIM tray. It is a single SIM. There is no SSDs. So it is come with Gorilla Glass 5 on the both sides, front and the back. So both of them have a glass. You get nano SIM and you get an eSIM. So there is a dual SIM, but is a one that's going to be an eSIM. It's like the iPhone XS and the XS Max, and they are IP67, so therefore dustproof and water resistant up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. All these display, and you have platform voice. It's going to be Android 10 on the operating system, and chips going to be quad-core Snapdragon 855. It's close to the you do get in 60 gig 64 gigs, and you have 128 gigs. You have wide angle and telephoto lens. Video wise is going to be 180 for 30 frames per second. So you do get stereo speakers. So it does support fast charging, for which is 18 watts. Are very light to hold. They're very small, so you can hold it. It's a much more smaller phone. So it's same size as iPhone X. The screen size wise is going to be 5.7. Phone is very fast. We're going to watch a video to see how clear the audio is. So that's on full volume. Again, if I hold the one side, it's quite loud. Even with the one single speaker, they are very loud. And if I put that, again, it's quite loud on this side. So as a speaker, it's quite loud. And you have a volume control where you can say however you want the volumes to be and how the volume. This video is on 5K. So we're gonna watch the video and to see how the resolution on the screen, see how clear the resolutions. So if you look at the quality on these, they are really well. It's have a very in-depth colors, very clear pictures. Let me record something and see how that's worked. Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox Pixel 4. So let's play this. Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Hey guys, today we're gonna unbox Pixel 4. The mics are very well, so when you're taking phone calls or answering phone calls, you shouldn't be having any issues. I really like the phones. They are very light. The phone feel very simple phones, very light. So let's take pictures and to see. So I do get a bit more zoom than normal. So that is without zoom. With full zoom, and that is half of the zoom, and we're gonna record a video. First it's going to be a pictures wise. They are highly detailed, even with full zoom. So you can zoom in, you can see the quality of the headphones on there, every part of every design, all the colors you can see on here. And if you zoom out, you get a very clear picture. And if you without the zoom, again you can zoom in, you can see the detail on the headphones, you can see the reflections, everything about the headphone you can read. So if you are interested in getting a simple phone, smaller in your hand, you don't want to pay much but you want the performance and the features of a premium phone, Pixel 4 is going to be your ideal phone. Camera quality is the main reason why you should buy this one. If you enjoy watching this video, please subscribe, like the video, share the video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye bye.